like playing with the product. I like chemistry.
Yeah.
We're out here at Gallagher, Las Vegas,
You were trying
Thursday,
to
November 7th,
I haven't
for
played
the
with it yet.
HyperTone Stain
that is
Workshop
chemistry right there.
at Gallagher's location, Las
We
Vegas,
did some of the
Nevada.
reactives of our own.
I'm Mr. Tim
Yeah.
Nathan, stain technician.
Yeah.
We're going to
But
demonstrate the
inconsistency was always
application
frustrating.
procedures of
Yeah.
HyperTone
The
Stain,
customer didn't always-
which is the
well,
first
I
of
did
its
more
kind
residential, I did commercial.
oil-water hybrid
They wanted to do things
technology,
safe.
or should I say
Yeah.
water
Match what
oil
previously
hybrid
did.
technology,
You better not offer
with
it.
no
So
smell,
I didn't offer it too
no
often.
flammability
Yeah.
issues,
One and done deal.
Yeah.
2 to 4 hour dry time,
I
no
like that,
spontaneous
you
combustion,
know, after working all this
beautiful
beautiful
vibrant
lacquers and
colors
waxes and moisture cures, I like
to give you the
idea of
look
saying,
that your
"Look,
customer
there's something
wants."
else that we can do, you know.
And we just got done water popping this panel,
Failure. I don't want that.
Yeah.
and this is going to be going
And
over
I don't want a
maple.
product that I can't use either.
So water
I
pop
gotta
prior to
have
putting
both. I want a product
application of the
that works
stain
and a
down.
product that does some unique things it doesn't.
And then what we're going to show as the
Right,
application is to
So,
roll on,
places
wipe
come a
off.
long way because of that.
Roll on,
They have.
wipe off.
Yeah.
Not wipe on, wipe off,
I
but
started
roll
when I was
on,
pretty young.
wipe off. And you cut in the room as you go,
So I grew up doing
and
that.
then roll
Some
on
people
and
try to
wipe
stay
off.
for a
The more
while.
vigorously you wipe it,
How old are you?
the more vibrant the
51?
colors.
That's not